this nice bathroom. And we have the hair and body shampoo, this exclusive hand and body lotion, liquid soap, and then daily the change the bath towels. Yes. Mm. Then after our breakfast, we look downstairs. You can make a fitness there, and the room is really very big. You can make bowling, there's wellness. You can have your beauty day. So we enjoyed today our day with the strolling first outside, and then we'll go back and enjoy swimming and sauna and so on. And I wish you a very nice day, my husband. And I know you today with my live stream.